Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. My name is Justice Emmanuel Aqua and this is Mr. J Graphics. Today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to generate a calendar on Coreldraw. So in case you want to design a calendar, most of designers, they have to go to Google, download most of the calendars before they can use to do their design. But here in Coreldraw, it's very simple. So I'm going to teach you how I do to generate a calendar from Coreldraw, then I use it in my designs. So let's go to, so I wrote this side, this letters here as a how to generate calendar on Coreldraw. So I'm going to teach you how I do that. So let me push this right here. Okay, now after these, let me select A3, okay, because all the times we use A3 for calendar. So let me zoom it so that you can see it well. Now after this, you go to tools, you click on tools. Right from tools, you go directly to macros, and from macros you go to run macro. So you just click on run macro and you see this macros in. You just click this arrow right here and then we search for calendar wizard. So calendar wizard is right here, so I'm going to click on that, and after this you click on run. Okay, so you can see all your calendars. This is the page for the calendar, the settings, how you want to set up your calendar. This is how it is here. Now let's look at, if you want to you say, okay, we are in the year of 2022, so that is it generate that automatically. Now here when you see the January is the only one that is checked. So if I generate, I will generate only, let me generate and then show you. So it waits for a while, then it'll come directly to the page. Finish generating the calendar. Okay, now I'm going to close this. See, I only generate January because when you see the box right there, it was only January that was checked. So let me go back again. So tools, macros, you click on macros. From macros, and you go to run macro. I am using 2018 Coreldraw. Okay, so and then I'll come back to this macros in, and I'll just drop down the arrow and I'll click on calendar wizard, and now I'll click run. So here it's only January that was checked. Now if you want to check the whole thing, there's no need to click them one after the other. Okay, you see this, or here when you click here it says none. When you click here you select all of these right here. So when you generate, you are going to generate from January up to December. Now let's do something right here. You see layout, let's go back. Okay, I want to start my week start on Sunday, so I will leave it like that, and I'll come to layout. Right from layout, I'm going to click on 12. I mean that is 12 small, that is 4 by 3. So I'm going to click on that, and you're going to see how the arrangement looks like. Let me click on the 3x4 and see. This is also how it's going to generate. This is how it's going to be when you generate into your page. Now I don't need this one, but I'd rather go for this, the 4x3 rather. Okay, this is what I prefer. Now once I'm done, this is always, it's always fading, it's not active. So I'm going to just remove the check right here, and now this is active. The page size, so as I did, if you don't want the page size, you can, if you don't want to be the size should be in A3, you can choose A4, A5, depending on the kind of project you are doing for your client. So right from here, okay, I'm going to use landscape. You can also use portrait like this, but I'm prefer to use landscape. All right, and now there are so many what do you call it, there are so many options here. Margins, if you want to change your margins, the default margin is 10, so I prefer, I'll go with a 10. There's no need to, because even if when I generate here, there are so many editings that I'm going to do here, so there's no need for me to worry myself and then do any settings about the about the margins. All right, so right from this, I'm okay, and I'll just click on generate, and I'll wait for a while. I'll wait for a while, and it's going to generate my calendar for me. So now it's done like that. Okay, then I'm going to close it. So right here, okay, so assuming your font, if your font are small, you can go back, generate, go to tools, right from tools, macros, run, you go back here, and then you tap on run, you click on run, and then you select all your calendars. You make sure you select the layout, that is the large month, so 4x3, and now expand it. You can expand it, or you can close it. All right, so anyhow you want it, it's going to work out for you. Now I'm going to okay, so right from here, I'm going to change, we have small body, small header, and then layout. All right, so where you click, it will appear here on the screen for you. And now this is how it all this is how it looks like. Okay, so the header, okay, so if you want to change the font of the header, all right, the header, you can select this one, and then you go the header. Okay, now so you click here, adjacent font, okay, so now you can see whatever you do here, you're going to see it right here. All right, so whatever you do, you're going to see right there. So I mean, let me generate. After you do some changes, you can, it's because I'm only doing this because of this tutorial. All right, I'm only doing this because of this tutorial, just to teach you how you're going to generate calendar for your design, if you want to do a calendar designs and all that. Because many people are find difficult, they have to go to Google, search for Google calendar, and all that. But so I just recommend that if you don't have Coreldraw as a graphic designer, it's good. Even if you are not a graphic designer, you want to know, because most people are not designers. I mean, they are not into designs, but when it comes to calendar designs and all that, they are very good at it. All right, so you can just learn to do this, and then you're going to get something good out of this tutorial. So guys, I think this is going to be the end of this tutorial, and thank you very much, guys. And please do me a favor, if today be your first time, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and also click on the like button if you find this video helpful, and please leave a comment, and I'm going to see you on my next video. God bless you.